I'm super excited to be doing this partnership with you. I think it's going to change the industry.
Can you talk a little bit about what's happening there behind you and what the capabilities of your lab are?
So the core idea here is we can hook together, and in this lab behind me, there's about 52 of our rack robots. Each one has a device in it, or sometimes multiple devices. And we're expanding it across this room to be 100 by May.
Wow.
You can send a sample between any one of those devices and basically define a protocol with software. And so with your team, we've been going around the loop on what are the types of high throughput assays that you would like to see where you design an RNA, we're able to then test it in cells, give you data back, and you can train AI models to get better at doing that, both from the capability of hitting a target for a disease, as well as making it more manufacturable. And so it's really creating all that data for your team to improve the AI models that you already have.
Yeah, I think that shortening of the learning cycle is critical for us. So as we announced this week, that over the last 18 months, we've been developing an AI model that helps us in the drug discovery process of our RNA editing molecules. And already just the way we've been upscaling this process so far, we've been able to shorten the discovery process from 2.5 years to now just about 3 months. And in those 3 months, we find molecules that are 6 times better than the ones that we were able to discover in the manual approach before. The key bottleneck that we still have today is the throughput of data generation. Obviously, to train these AI models, we need a huge amount of data. And this data today has been generated in a somewhat manual way. So I'm really excited to be able to use your platform and with that remove the limitations on the throughput of how quickly we can generate data. And with that we can really shorten the learning cycles, which in the end allows us to develop more medicines for patients in a much quicker way.